What's up, YouTube? Today we'll bring you an unboxing of Diode Dynamics, just LED headlights for the old GMC there. I got them on their 20% off sale over July 4th. Just haven't had a chance to unbox them yet or put them in. So thought we'd take a look together. Damage missing, share the diode difference. There's a little flyer and other stuff. Packing list, you see I got the 9012 SL1 LED headlights. Made in the USA. Form fitting to the box. I'm going to fold this knife down. Sorry to get them out. So sorry about the jumpiness. So I got the SL1 LED headlight made in USA by Diode Dynamics. 9012s, which fit a GMC pickup. Good packaging. Installation instructions. It's pretty straightforward. Collar adjustment. Watch video on YouTube if you can't do any instructions. Troubleshooting. They actually are themselves. So we'll probably actually do the harder one first. That way at night I can just zap in the other one and do a comparison test on my Instagram, Techstar79, TEXSTAR79, and we'll put it out there. Until next time, YouTube, thanks for watching this simple unboxing.